Italian cuisine meets Haitian flavor, you have got to try this Haitian breakfast spaghetti. Now we start off by chopping up some hot dogs, and this is going to go into our spaghetti later. We also are going to slice half of a medium red onion, slice up half of a red bell pepper and also half of a green bell pepper. Take that away and save it for later, and then you also want to cook your spaghetti as per the instructions on the pack. I've got my wok here now and I'm just adding some oil to it. I also start with a base of this green epic seasoning, and I have already put up a tutorial on how to make that, and then I start to saute my red onions. Then you want to add in your hot dogs and let that cook for a little bit. And then I'm going to add in my bell peppers that I sliced and mix it all together. You want to season it with some salt, garlic granules, paprika and black pepper. I also add about 3 tablespoons of tomato paste and some of that pasta water. And then I chuck in a Scotch bonnet and a chicken stock cube. And then you start to add back your spaghetti bit by bit, and you want to mix it in well. I garnish it with some red onions. I also chuck in some butter for a bit of extra flavour. And just like that, you're done. So this is a very popular breakfast recipe in Haiti. To get the full effect, you also want to add in a boiled egg as well. Whilst it's a breakfast recipe, honestly, you can eat this for lunch, you can eat this for dinner, you can eat this any time of day. If you like this recipe, please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.